Hey, good people, before we start the actual tutorial, I have to deal with this first. Yes, I accidentally cut some of my lock off when taking out some crochet hair. I was just trying to do it in a hurry and cut my hair as well. So, for a quick fix, I am going to try and sew this lock back on. Spoiler alert, it did not last. I want to say maybe a month later. I was able to kind of just pull it out, but it was enough for me to do this hairstyle. So I'm going to take care of this first and then we'll get started with the tutorial.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything. I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go.
I'm using Organique 24-inch Beach Girl. This is human hair and this is some very soft and shiny hair. This is my first time using human hair for a boho look style. Normally I always use crochet hair, but I wanted to see if I would have less shedding and less tangle with this hair. So for the retwist, of course, I'll be using my locking gel. And for the two-strand twist, I will be using this Cantu foam and spray. And my hair is freshly washed and dyed black. So I'll be using a little mister just to kind of keep things moist. And I think we are good to go. Okay, so as you saw, I did cut the hair off the weft. I'm going through finger combing, and because I do not have a perfect grid pattern, I have to make sure I have enough locks for each two-strand twist. And I want you guys to know you don't have to have a perfect grid pattern for your lock style to come out looking neat. So I'm going to go through and do a light retwist. Once I get that retwist going down, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 twists, I'm going to add the hair inside my lock. So here I'm retwisting, putting two strands together using a foaming mousse, and I'm going to go through and less than half of the hair I will put inside my lock and clip it. Once I clip it, I'll twist down some more and then I will add a second amount of hair. So depending on how long your locks are or if you're using weave, how long you have it, that's going to determine how many times you're going to put the boho hair in your lock. I think I ended up doing maybe 3 or 4 different inserts of the hair. And once I twist it all the way down, I am going to just seal it with a lock knot and a rubber band. And that's pretty much it. So I'm retwisting my locks and then I am two-strand twisting them, adding the hair, clipping it so I can twist down without any issue. And now I'm going to add another insert of hair, clip it as well, twist down again, and I think I will do it one more time, um, inserting the hair, clip it, and once again, you're going to continue to twist down and seal it with a lock knot, rubber band, whatever it is you are doing to finish out the style. Um, Here's the other side, and you can see some of my locks are very thin, so I have to kind of twist a little gently there, and I don't add as much hair as well. I don't think I ever wear all of my hair up in a bun with this style, so there was really no need for me to be pressed about how my perimeter was. I pretty much always had my back down. But if you know you're going to wear your hair all up, I would say focus on the back a little more. Make sure the parts are a little bit neater. Um, After I twist all the way down, I kind of go through and pull the hair out, um, pull the clips out, and then pull the hair out so you can kind of see what you're working with. You don't want it to be too full unless that's just the look you're going for. I try to do thin inserts so overall it doesn't look like I have a head full of boho hair. Like I want it to look like there are locks and boho hair.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 flow yeah. 꽃길 들어 이렇게
So we're gonna take the scarf out. We've done our edges. And here's how the hair is looking. So I do like the hair as far as like the sheen, it's soft, it's lightweight. I'm thinking maybe it's me when I was doing my 2-strand twists. They weren't twists like correctly. You can see how it's kind of loose here when it should be like rope. So therefore it makes it easy if I pull here for this hair just to kind of slide on through. Let's see, just slides right on out. So I'm assuming that's a mistake I made, or it could be because I should have washed the hair before I put it in. This is my first time using like human hair to do my 2-strand twist or the boho locks because I just cut the hair off the track. But anywho, to like refresh the hair every other day, I will use some of this styling mousse or this, yeah, I'll use some of this Suave and put it on. It smells really good and it's not super expensive. It does not cause any buildup on my locks since it's going on my locks too. Okay, so would I use this hair again? Possibly. Definitely take my time while doing the 2-strand twist and also washing the hair before I put it in my head to see if that kind of takes some of the slip off of it. Like I said, this hair is very soft, or it may not be made to for this kind of style. I don't know. I just wanted to do something different, but I have not really been wearing my hair down the middle just because I don't have a lot of hair or locks on the top, so I don't like the super flat and then a full look. But I do like just the flip over. So you can see how I could be a little bit hesitant to just wear this hair down because there's nothing to make sure like it does not slip out, which they don't just, the hair does not slip out on its own. Like I have to be really combing my hair through. And so in the morning when I wake up, I'll kind of give it a little shake and see what's coming out, and then I'll kind of trim. But yeah.
You don't need to worry. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. So transparent.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is probably one of my favorite ways to wear this hair just because I can have some of it down and I can have some of the hair out of my face. And of course, and this is probably my next favorite way. I would wear it this way all the time, but I don't want to bother with putting like a hairpin. I don't know, I might be able to get away, but anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all your support on my channel thus far. And like always, until next time, take care.